Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV25. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV25 barely lasts 5 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises due to battery wear over time. If left unchecked, it can result in persistent inconvenience, forcing you to recharge frequently and reducing the overall efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Fortunately, replacing the battery is a straightforward fix that can restore your device to its former glory. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with a Dyson SV25, and a soft cloth to protect your work surface. To begin the repair, make sure to disconnect the vacuum from the charger and place it on a flat, stable surface. Start by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. Be gentle when taking off the casing, as you want to avoid damaging any clips or hinges. Once the casing is removed, you will see the battery located towards the rear of the unit. This is the component that often fails. Carefully disconnect the battery by unclipping the connector. As you do this, be mindful of any surrounding wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, remove the old battery by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Take your time and ensure you don't apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of the compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery clip, ensuring it is firmly attached. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is in order, and no wires are pinched. Replace the casing by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw back the base screws and give the vacuum a test run to confirm that it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, it's advisable to regularly clean the vacuum's filters and avoid overcharging the battery. This can help extend the lifespan of your new battery and keep your Dyson SV25 performing efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.